In this video, we're gonna be unboxing the AirTags. In this case, I bought a 4-pack and also other accessories. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox them. And obviously at the end, as always, I'll let you know what my initial opinion is. Let's get to it. Okay, let's start by showing you guys what we're going to be working with. There you can see all the accessories and obviously the AirTags. Let me go ahead and clean this off a little bit. Okay, that's much better. All right, there are the AirTags and the key rings. This is one of the things that I bought multiple of because it's the one that I'm going to be using the most. We have blue, pink, and black, and the strap. These are all from Belkin. Obviously, it makes them a lot less expensive than the original Apple ones. And there's the AirTag, and it's the 4-pack. So that is what you see when you buy a 4-pack of the Apple AirTags. All right, you can saw the back. Let's go ahead and put this to the side, and let's open one of the key rings. Obviously, I'm not going to show you how all of them are open because it's basically the same thing. They're all exactly the same. Only difference is the color. Let's go ahead and open the black one. Let's see here. Insert my finger here. All right, there we go. There's a pull tab. Open here also. And all right, just like another pull tab like Apple devices. There you see first impressions regarding the keyring. Where you put the AirTag is obviously the plastic does feel a little bit flimsy and cheap plastic, but as you can just see, while I'm trying to reopen it back so I can later on put the AirTag in, it's a little bit of a hassle to be able to reopen it. So you guys can see that if something happens, then you guys are good. The AirTag will probably stay in there if anything happens. I don't know. Anyways, going now to the strap. Go ahead and open this. Okay, there you can see the strap. The area where you put the AirTag is exactly the same as in the keyring. The only difference is that it's the color pink. Let's put this to the side. And the strap. The strap is just like stretch rubber, like many other things are done right now. So it's not premium like the original Apple, the ones that Apple probably sells, but it is a lot less expensive, as I was saying before. So it is an option. I believe all of these accessories were just worth, I think it's $14 each. Also, I want to say, I didn't say it in the Spanish video, but I want to say it in this one. If you guys are going to order the AirTags, if you guys have to order them, cannot buy them on a store, order them online. You get free engraving, which you're going to see when I get to that, and it's obviously a lot better option. Okay, let's go ahead and open all of them, and then come back to the AirTags, and we'll be right back. Okay.
A few moments later.
All right, now we get to the start of the show, which is the AirTags. As always, Apple has this little pull tab, so you can go ahead and peel it off, and you can get into the box. The box is a little bit harder to get into than just pulling that easy tab. I did have to, as you will see in just a second, I will have to pull it away from the camera in order to get it closer to me so I can open a little bit of a gap. There you see, open a little bit of a gap. There you go. So I can go ahead and open it up. You pull the tab, and there are the AirTags. You open this, it opens outwards, and inside are the 4 AirTags. As I stated before, that I have 4. We pull out the first one, is the one, that one's mine, obviously. It says JR. This one is the one for my wife, one of them. This one will be the second one for my wife, and the third one, which is mine, which is obviously the poop emoji, because why not? Let's go ahead and show you guys how to set it up. I'm gonna get a device, and I'm gonna be back with you to set this thing up.
A few moments later.
All right, now that we have a device, I'm gonna set it up in the iPad. Don't worry, it's the same setup process. Whichever device that you're using, making sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and all those are turned on. And to open it, it has a little tab on the plastic that protects it. You just pull it around and you pull the part that keeps the battery from being used. And just like that, you see the AirTag logo to set it up on your device. This case, I'm gonna use this one for the keys. Let's go ahead and search for keys. There it is. Continue, confirm my information regarding my Apple ID. And after a few seconds, it's gonna say that it is completely set up. There you see, now it's done, it's completely set up. Press done, and in order to set up the next one, we do the same process over again. Pull on the tab all the way around, pull the part that separates the battery in order for it not to be used. Automatically it shows up. And in this case, this one I am going to use as the backpack AirTag, confirm the information regarding the Apple ID. And after a few seconds, it is set up. If you open the Find My app, you're going to see this new area, which is the area for AirTags, and you can see where they are right now. As I said, I'm going to check it out, see how it works, and I'm going to let you guys know. So let's go ahead and go to the ending of the video. Okay, there you saw the unboxing and setup of the AirTags. Later on, I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown on how it works. Because the device that I have is an iPhone XS Max, is not a newer iPhone like the 11 or 12 that have the same U1 chip or ultra wideband chip that the AirTags have. So I'm going to let you know how it works out and if it's actually a good buy if you have an older generation phone or not. I was really interested in getting this. I thought the concept was always very intriguing to me, but I wanted to see what Apple's take was on trackers and tracking devices such as the AirTags are. Obviously, I'm going to let you know later on. I'm going to be making another video showing you how it works, the difference between a newer iPhone. My wife has an iPhone 12. She recently purchased it. So I'm going to show you how it works when you have a newer phone and when you don't have a newer phone. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please hit the like button right below me. Also, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell so you can get notified when we have new videos. Go ahead, it's free. So how much can you waste? It's free. Also, remember that we're available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and obviously YouTube at JR Abrams Tech, so you can stay up to date with the latest news and rumors about tech. Until next time.